Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Today, the Vault of Civilizations team is entering one of America's most secretive industrial empires.
Everything begins with powerful minerals gathered from across the planet.
The materials powering your devices travel thousands of miles before reaching America's mega factories. This is where dangerous raw elements are transformed into pure battery power. One small mistake could destroy millions of batteries.
This billion-dollar empire powers homes, hospitals, military equipment, and devices across the world.
Every battery starts with carefully measured minerals.
Exodus.
Even microscopic contamination could destroy millions of batteries.
Inside these machines, raw minerals are transformed into battery-grade power. Human precision remains critical inside this automated empire. Now the materials are ready for battery construction.
This is only the beginning of America's battery empire.
Millions of battery casings are produced with microscopic precision. Powerful machines shape the metal shells that protect every battery.
Even a few seconds of downtime can cost thousands of dollars.
The scale of this place feels more like a futuristic city than a factory.
Every battery shell must survive heat, pressure, and years of use. Extreme safety procedures protect workers inside this dangerous environment. Thousands of batteries are assembled every minute.
Every second, thousands of new batteries are entering the world from this single factory.
Inside this mega factory, automation and human precision work side by side. Every tiny component must fit perfectly for maximum power. This stage seals the energy safely inside every battery. Millions of electrical connections are welded every single day.
1, 2, 3!
Keeping this empire running requires non-stop maintenance. Every battery must survive extreme conditions before reaching consumers. This factory produces an unbelievable number of batteries every hour. This industrial empire never truly sleeps. Now the batteries face the most brutal tests imaginable. Only the strongest batteries survive this stage. These machines predict how long every battery will last.
Yes!
The durability of these batteries is almost unbelievable.
Safety is one of the most important parts of battery manufacturing.
59 degrees.
These batteries must survive conditions far beyond normal use. Every battery must deliver stable power under pressure. Weak batteries are removed before they ever reach the market. Even failed products are recycled back into the system.
Quality control protects the billion-dollar reputation of this battery empire.
Human speed and precision remain essential, even inside this automated factory. Every package must look perfect before reaching stores worldwide. Millions of batteries are prepared for global delivery every single day. This warehouse operates like a perfectly synchronized machine.
This endless warehouse powers homes and devices across the planet.
From this room, battery shipments are tracked across continents.
Confirmed. Atlantic crossing complete. Customs clearance initiated. Every hour, thousands of shipments leave this industrial empire. These batteries will soon power millions of devices around the world.
This factory powers homes, hospitals, businesses, and industries across the entire planet.
Trust Duracell.
Marketing transformed these batteries into a worldwide household name. Thousands of skilled workers keep this empire operating every day.
Behind every battery is an army of highly trained workers.
This factory continues producing batteries 24 hours a day.
Line 3 had a jam at 2 a.m.
Copy.
If this works, it changes everything. The race for more powerful batteries is becoming more competitive than ever.
We did it! Future batteries could change the entire world of energy.
Even used batteries are transformed back into valuable materials.
Sodium sample ready.
Researchers are now building the next generation of energy storage.
Modern factories are becoming cleaner and more efficient.
Adjusting temperature.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the future of manufacturing.
America's battery race is shaping the future of global energy. Even waste materials are transformed into reusable resources. The cycle of production begins all over again.
From raw minerals to global power, This empire never stops moving.
This hidden industrial world powers modern civilization every single day.
This was the unbelievable story of how America built the battery empire powering the modern world.
While the world sleeps, these engineers keep the batteries flowing.
Line 4 is holding steady. Even the atomic structure of every battery is carefully controlled.
Inside every Duracell battery is a carefully engineered chemical reaction. As the sun rises, another 10 million batteries are ready for the world.
All stations, morning dispatch begin.
This warehouse is the heart of a global distribution network. From the factory floor to your front door, the journey is complete. From the toys we love to the moments that matter most, we power the heroes of everyday life. In hospitals, Duracell batteries help save lives every single day.
After seeing it all, one thing becomes clear. This empire runs on more than just machinery.
10 billion batteries every year. 100 countries. A 40% global market share.
This is our future.
Building billions of batteries doesn't have to cost the Earth.
Every worker here knows that what they build powers someone's cherished memory.
That's my boy.
From the deepest oceans to the edge of space, Duracell is there. The batteries of tomorrow are being built tonight by people who refuse to stop.
We did it!
Breakthroughs don't happen in boardrooms. They happen here, in the quiet hours. This is not science fiction. This is the next chapter of American manufacturing.
We came to see a factory. We found the engine of the modern world.
This is the $15 billion Duracell battery empire. And it's only getting started.
So this video is split into 100 short scenes, each second about 8 seconds, so around 13 minutes total. It's super cinematic, drone shots, sparks flying, slow motion testing. A female presenter from World of Civilization guides you through every step from raw zinc and manganese mining to chemical processing, high-speed robot assembly, brutal safety tests, packaging and global shipping. Workers wear yellow uniform with World of Civilization on the back, no text on screen, just visuals, factory sounds and a calm US English voiceover. It really shows how Duracell makes billions of batteries every year and how the whole empire never sleeps. Worth watching it you are into manufacturing or just curious how those copper tops end up in your remote. Thank you for watching World of Civilization. Like, follow and subscribe our channel for more information. Challa, bye bye.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.